The iMac Pro, gone since 2021, is roaring back to life, and the leaks aren't just whispers anymore. Supply chain orders, internal code strings, debug kits, and insider reports are all screaming the same thing. A monster 32-inch all-in-one beast powered by M5 Max is heading straight for pro desks across America this year. If you're a video editor grinding 8K timelines, a 3D artist rendering complex scenes, a developer training AI models locally, or a music producer layering endless tracks, stop everything. What you're about to hear could save you thousands or cost you big if you upgrade too soon. Because this isn't another minor refresh. This is Apple finally giving pros the integrated powerhouse they've begged for since the Intel days. The rumors started late last year, when macOS kernel debug files leaked an H17C codename tied directly to M5 Max. Then came more. Supply chain leaks pointing to massive mini LED panels, prototype sightings, and Bloomberg's Mark Gurman confirming high-end iMac testing. Now in March 2026, with M5 Max already shipping in laptops, the pieces are falling into place fast. Apple killed the original iMac Pro because the Mac Studio stole its thunder, but pros never stopped wanting one perfect all-in-one. Bigger screen, no cables, studio-grade everything, and Apple is about to deliver. Let's hit the screen first, because that's what will stop you dead in your tracks. Every credible leak converges on 32 inches. Yes, 32 glorious inches. Not the 24-inch consumer iMac. A true pro-size canvas running at least 6K resolution. Likely 6016 by 3384 or higher, with ProMotion 120Hz adaptive refresh so scrubbing timelines and animations feel impossibly smooth. Mini LED backlighting with thousands of dimming zones for OLED-like blacks and insane HDR pop. Nano texture glass to crush glare in bright LA studios or home offices with Windows. P3 wide color, reference modes for Dolby Vision, HDR10+, built-in calibration that matches external Pro Display XDR without extra hassle. Picture this. Final Cut Pro open full screen on 32 inches. You're editing multicam 8K ProRes RAW with real-time AI noise reduction, color grading in HDR, and effects previews that don't lag. Side-by-side 4K timelines, massive Photoshop canvases, DaVinci Resolve scopes that actually make sense at scale, no bezel interruptions, no mismatched external monitor colors, just pure immersion that makes your current setup feel tiny and dated. Now the heart of the machine. M5 Max as the base Pro chip, with strong whispers of M5 Ultra configs at the top. Apple's Fusion architecture fuses dies for insane core counts without melting the chassis. Leaks suggest up to 18 high-performance CPU cores, blazing single-thread for Adobe apps and compiling, plus massive GPU blocks. 40-plus cores with advanced ray tracing that crushes Blender, Cinema 4D, Unreal Engine. Neural Engine doubled again for Apple Intelligence. On-device generative fill, instant transcription in Logic, code suggestions that read your whole repo. Unified memory bandwidth jumps huge. Think 30 to 50% over M4 Max. So 96 GB or 128 GB configs handle monster projects without swapping. Compared to current Mac Studio M4 Ultra, this iMac Pro could match or beat it in many tasks while running cooler, quieter, and all-in-one. No separate tower, no display cables. Just plug in and dominate. Ports, Thunderbolt 5 everywhere, 4, 5, maybe more, at 120 gigabits per second bidirectional. Daisy chain 8K monitors, RAID arrays, external storage at insane speeds. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, the new N1 wireless chip for zero-lag AirPods Pro or continuity camera. Design. Sleeker bezels, refined stand, space black finish returning. Better thermal so fans whisper even during 8K renders. Timeline is urgent. Mac Studio M5 Max/Ultra expected mid-2026, possibly WWDC June. But iMac Pro leaks tie it close. Some say summer/fall 2026 rollout. Prototypes exist now. Once Apple starts production, first batches vanish fast. If you're eyeing a Mac Studio or external display upgrade, hold off. Resale on current gear will crash when this drops. Price? Entry M5 Max config around $3,999 to $4,499. Mid-tier 64 to 96 gigabytes RAM, $5,500 plus. Loaded with 128 GB plus. 8 terabytes SSD.